This time, Huawei MateBook X Pro 2023 ushered in a new dawn pink color scheme, and the aesthetic appearance reached a new height. At the same time, the upgraded hardware configuration such as the 13th generation Core i7 to 1360p processor, as well as the Super Terminal, intelligent interaction and other belts, the innovative smart experience that comes, once again defines the smart flagship thin and light notebook. For a long time, traditional notebook crafts have often been made of aluminum, and the colors are all gray, silver, and black. Users have long been fatigued in the face of such a stereotyped and mediocre upgrade. This time, the Huawei MateBook X Pro 2023 continues the appearance process of the micro velvet metal body on the basis of the magnesium alloy material combined with a micro arc oxidation process. It not only improves the hardness and wear resistance of the body, but also makes the production process greener. Environmental protection. Not only that, aviation-grade magnesium alloy material also has the advantages of low density, high strength, and good rigidity, making this notebook a complete weight of 1.26 kilograms, which is very light and portable. On top of the magnesium alloy material, there is also delicate micro velvet spraying, which brings a warmer fingertip temperature and a more comfortable surface touch, and brings unique tactile beauty under the complex 115 spraying processes. In terms of color matching process, Huawei MateBook X Pro 2023 retains the popular deep space gray and Huawei silver color schemes. The micro velvet metal body is based on the original ink blue and brocade white colors with Chinese traditional cultural implication. A brand new dawn pink color scheme. Specifically, the appearance of the Huawei MateBook X Pro 2023 brocade white model is inspired by the brocade craft and the velvet loop brocade unearthed in the Han Dynasty, such as the brocade is light and thin, and such a thin and light product body also presents a fluffy and warm feel. It is from the indigo blue that has been passed down for thousands of years. It has the freehand charm and imagination behind the Chinese ink culture. The brand new dawn powder also has the charm of Chinese culture. Innovative breakthroughs in craftsmanship and technology endow this color scheme on notebooks, which not only brings a new visual experience to users, but also means hope and a new beginning. In terms of screen display, Huawei MateBook X Pro 2023 is equipped with a 14.2-inch primary color full screen that supports 10-point high sampling rate touch. Specifically, this screen uses 3.1K high resolution and a PPI of up to 264. With a maximum brightness of 500 nits, the screen can present rich light and dark changes. First of all, as the base of the intelligent experience in all scenarios, Huawei MateBook X Pro 2023 ushered in a comprehensive upgrade in hardware, including an upgraded 13th generation Core i7 to 1360p processor, which supports up to 32 gigs of large memory, the highest optional 2 TB high-speed solid-state hard disk, with outstanding performance in a thin and light body. The fully upgraded Super Turbo Performance Intelligent Scheduling Master brings the fast that can be used freely. Taking the booting scene as an example, thanks to Super Turbo's comprehensive optimization of the bottom layer of the system, Huawei MateBook X Pro 2023's cold boot only takes 8 seconds. The upgraded Super Turbo also brings fast startup, large files, and multiple applications can be opened in seconds. This time, Huawei MateBook X Pro 2023's upgraded Hyper Terminal brings more powerful multi-device collaboration capabilities. The transfer station function supports tablet content to be easily transferred across applications and devices by dragging upwards. Mobile phone multi-screen collaboration supports the dual display experience of native vertical screen and tablet horizontal screen large window, and enjoys the application ecology of 3 devices on one screen. For the conference scene of high-end people, Huawei MateBook X Pro 2023 has also upgraded functions such as Smart Voice and Smart Conference, such as AI Minutes, which can generate multi-person meeting minutes with one click, and AI Smart Eyes, which support video follower mode, etc. Focus on privacy, immersive meetings, AI sound effects, support for pure human voice mode, etc., making voice clearer and more. In terms of appearance, Huawei MateBook X Pro 2023 has broken the aesthetic order that the industry has followed for 10 years. Through the selection of metals, visual and tactile considerations, excellence in processing technology, and strict quality testing, Huawei has single-handedly raised the bar. In terms of price, the new Huawei MateBook X Pro series starts at $1,400. Buy the white model on the Huawei Mall app and enjoy free personalized engraving service. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon.